If I told you a company created 63,500 crore of value without discovering new oil, opening a new mine, building a new factory, or launching a single new product, would you believe me? Because that is exactly what just happened with Vedanta. So, how did simply splitting one company into five make investors suddenly see so much value? And that is exactly what you will be understanding by the end of this video. Because the answer is much simpler than most people think. First, let's look at what actually happened. Vedanta has finally completed one of the biggest corporate restructurings in India. The group has separated its business into multiple independent companies. At a first glance, that sounds boring. After all, the mines are still there, the oil fields are still there, the power plants are also still there. So nothing new was created, right? And that is what makes this story very interesting. Because if nothing has changed, where did the 63,500 crore came from? For years, Vedanta was a giant bundle of very different business. Aluminium, oil and gas, power, iron ore, and several other operations. Everything sat inside one company. Now imagine you are an investor. Maybe you love energy companies. Maybe you like metals. Maybe you only invest in power business. But with Vedanta, you were not buying one business. You were buying everything together. And that is where the problems start. Because investors don't always like giant mixed packages. Sometimes they want clarity. Sometimes they want focus. And sometimes they want to decide for themselves which business actually deserves their money. So, Vedanta made a huge decision. Instead of asking investors to buy one giant conglomerate, it separated the business. Now, each business can stand on its own, and now investors can value each business separately. And this is where the story becomes interesting. Vedanta did not discover new resources. Vedanta did not suddenly become more productive. Vedanta didn't even create a new product. So, what changed was the perception. The market could finally look at each business individually instead of looking at one giant package. And according to the market estimates, this restructuring has unlocked roughly 60,500 crore for the shareholders. That is the number that got everyone's attention. So, the biggest surprise wasn't what Vedanta built. The biggest surprise was how much value investors believe was already sitting inside the company, hidden in the plain sight. And sometimes the biggest business move isn't building something new, it is helping people see what already exists. If you enjoy business news, finance news, IPOs, acquisition, corporate moves, and market stories explained simply, subscribe to our channel because every day there is a business story hiding behind these headlines and we will break it down the simplest way possible.